What's going on YouTube? It's B Sneak, and today I'm back with a very special video. And today I actually have something to unbox for you guys and review on the channel. And this is probably one of the craziest things I've ever received in the mail from a company. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a crazy new piece of technology. The following item that I'm about to unbox and show you guys is from the audio and sound company Bose. And I'm really excited to get into this video just because what I'm about to show you guys is crazy, and it's something that I think a lot of you guys are going to want to go purchase. These are the brand new Bose Frames, a pair of sunglasses that you guys can wear, and they look really good too. Bose Frames are Bose's first pair of audio sunglasses, delivering a revolutionary open-ear audio experience and a stylish form factor. Bose Frames feature great sound and open-ear form factor, high quality, low leakage sound that doesn't cover your ears, and this is such an innovative yet classic design. And you guys can also make crystal clear phone calls in any environment, and you'll be able to hear whoever you're talking to perfect, and they're honestly so easy to use. And this is just tying back to the Bose company with their idea of a world of rich audio experiences that integrate seamlessly with your real world. These sunglasses are really cool, guys, and you can listen to music and make phone calls, and it's talking to me right now. The retail price on these is going to be $199. These are great for when spring comes and summer and you have technology in a pair of sunglasses. Alright guys, so now I'm going to explain to you guys how you use these Bose Frames. Alright, so to power it on, you're going to press and hold on the temple on the right side of the sunglasses. And then to turn it off, you just press and hold for 2 seconds. And then to play or pause whatever media you're listening to, all you have to do is click the button once to pause it. And to skip forward, you press it twice. And then if you want to go backwards, you press it 3 times. And then for volume, you control it on the app or on your phone. And then it's really easy to take phone calls with this. So if you have a phone call coming in, all you have to do is press it once to pick up the call, and then to end the call you just press it once again. And even if you want to do a conference call, you just do it on your phone, and then it'll do it on your sunglasses. And then there's a really cool charging cable that aligns on the right side of the sunglasses, I believe, right here. It's this little guy right here. So with the appearance on these, they're honestly really sleek and they're really simple, and that's why I like them. I feel like with a pair of glasses that has technology in them, but Bose did it with these and they look really good. Alright guys, so I'm just going to quickly show you the app on my phone. Alright, so we're on the app right here, and we're going to connect these super quick to wrap up this video. If you guys want these, the link will be down below. I really recommend getting these because I'm going to wear these a lot just when I'm walking around or doing anything, and I'm just going to be able to listen to music or take phone calls. So I just press this. I see the sunglasses right here. Alright, so it says to go to settings and find these sunglasses on here. This is really easy to use. The Bluetooth connected just like that. Press, and we'll just click on this album. I can hear it, and if I want to adjust the volume, all I have to do is just adjust it on here. And I'm assuming that when I make a phone call or I'm talking to somebody on the phone, it's just going to connect to this automatically without me having to do anything if the Bluetooth is connected. So that's sick. Anyway, that is the video, guys. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate if you watched all the way to the end of this video. If you guys want to cop these new Bose glasses, make sure you guys click the link in the description to go cop them. They're $199. Some people might be like, whoa, that's a lot for a pair of sunglasses. But the technology in this pair of sunglasses is crazy, and I've never seen it before in anything else. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like down below and drop a comment. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. We're so close to 600,000 subscribers. It's ridiculous. We've come so far, guys, and I really appreciate everybody who watches my videos. And you guys make videos like this possible for me to collaborate with companies like Bose. It's ridiculous. It's something I never even thought I would do. And to be able to collaborate with a company as big as Bose, it just blows my mind. So thank you to them. And with all that being said, it's your boy B Sneak. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, and we're out of here. Peace.